Want to create stunning AI videos in minutes? In this video, I'll show you how to create AI videos using Pika Labs step by step, even if you're a beginner. Let's get started. Step 1. Access Pika. First, go to the Pika platform. Sign up or log into your account. Once inside, you'll see the video generation dashboard. Step 2. Write your prompt. Pika works using text prompts. Describe the video you want clearly. Example: a futuristic city with flying cars, cinematic lighting, 4K, realistic. The more detailed your prompt, the better your result. You can use ChatGPT to generate scripts for what you want to create. Step 3. Generate your AI video. Paste your prompt into the generator. Click Generate. Pika will create a short AI video based on your description. This usually takes a few seconds. Step 4. Customize your video. After generating, you can adjust style, realistic, animation, cinematic, change aspect ratio, YouTube, TikTok, modify motion and effects. Experiment to get the best result. Step 5. Add voiceover, optional. To make your video more engaging, add voice. Use tools like Labs to generate realistic narration. Step 6. Edit your video. Use editing apps to enhance your video. Add text overlays, add background music, combine multiple clips. You can use apps like CapCut. Step 7. Export and upload. Once done, export your video. Upload it to YouTube or social media. Use a strong title and thumbnail to attract views. To grow quickly, use trending topics, keep videos short and engaging, post consistently. AI videos can scale your content fast, and that's how to create AI videos using Pika. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment below. Check out the next video to learn how to make money with AI videos.